Okay, for question number 26, part A, we have to, this section comprises of short answer questions of 3 marks each, and our functions are x is equal to e raised power cos 3t, y is equal to e raised power sin 3t, and we have to prove this. So this is the parametric functions are in the parametric form. So for first function, because both these functions are defined in terms of t, so we are going to differentiate this with respect to t. So differentiating this with respect to t we get. So differentiation of x with respect to t is dx by dt, and differentiation of e raised power x is e raised power cos 3t. Differentiation of cos is negative sine 3t, and differentiation of 3t is 3. Okay, now y is equal to e raised power sine 3t, and let's differentiate this with respect to t. So differentiating this with respect to t, we get. So differentiating with respect to t, we get dy by dt is equal to e raised power sine 3t. Differentiation of sine is cos 3t, and differentiation of cos 3t is 3. Okay, so we have got the differentiation. Now we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt is 3 cos 3t into e raised power sine of 3t divided by, this is negative 3 sine 3t into e raised power cos of 3t. So this gets cancelled, and cos 3t is, so this is cos of 3t, sorry, this is e raised power. This is e raised power cos of 3t and e raised power sine of 3t. So e raised power cos of 3t is x. Actually, I have jumbled it. So dy by dt, so this is dy by dt, this is e raised power sine of 3t into cos of 3t into 3 divided by, this is negative e raised power cos of 3t into sine of 3t into 3, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Now e raised power sine 3t is y. So this is replaced with y, and this is, so let me put negative up. So this is equal to negative y, and e raised power cos 3t is x. Now this is cos of 3t upon sine of 3t. Okay, now we know that if x is equal to e raised power y, then I can write it as this is equal to, if x is equal to e raised power y. So how do we write that in terms of log? So x is equal to e raised power y, it becomes y is equal to log x. So we are going to use this formula on this. So similarly, this becomes cos 3t is equal to log x. So instead of cos 3t, I can write log x, so minus y log x upon x. Now sine 3t. So this sine 3t, this becomes, so y is equal to e sine 3t. So sine 3t becomes log y. So this is log y. So we have differentiated this. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x log x upon log y, which is equal to our RHS. Moving on to the second part of the same question.